Hello, we're going to make a video today, and this video will show how to run the Synopsys Design Vision program on the Lehigh ECE Teaching Lab Linux platform. In this video, you will see excuse me, how to set up your environment to enable you to run the Synopsys Design Vision program, and you will start the Design Vision program in both graphical and non-graphical modes. So what we're going to do here is I've logged in to a machine, server 02, with an ID that I have called ECE demo. When you log in, your ID will most likely match your Lehigh user ID. Now, the first thing that we're going to do in terms of setting up the environment is we're going to make a directory called scripts and copy over an environmental setup script. If you type ls on your ID and you see the directory scripts and you type ls scripts and you see the environmental setup shell called Synopsys version W2024-09-SP2-env.sh. You can skip on the video to the part where it discusses sourcing the environmental setup script. There will be time codes in the description below the video that will allow you to move to the section on sourcing the environmental script. However, we're going to pretend, in fact, we're going to remove that scripts directory. And now when I type ls, there is no scripts directory. This would be if somebody came in and they have not run any of the synthesis programs from Synopsys yet. You would come in and there would be no scripts directory. So in order to make a scripts directory, we type mkdir-p scripts. And then to copy the environmental script, the script that we're going to source to set up our environment, we would type cp/scripts-appserve02/synopsys, and then Synopsys V2024-09-SP2-env.sh. That's the environmental that's the shell that will source to set up our environment. And then we're going to put that in the scripts directory. We'll enter. Now if we type ls, we'll see the scripts directory. If we type ls scripts, we see the environmental setup script. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set up our environment, and we do that by typing the word source, scripts, and then we type in the script name, the environmental setup script, which is right here. And there are some little directions that come down here at the bottom. You can see there are a couple of pieces of software that this setup script will work for, and we're going to be looking at the Design Vision. So right now we'll go ahead and run Design Vision. And hit enter. And we'll give it a second here. And sometimes this runs fairly quickly, sometimes you have to wait a minute. Here we go, now it's starting to run. It's continuing. And it brings up the GUI. So here's the graphical screen that's with it. So we'll go ahead and the intention was just to show you how to run Design Vision and get the graphical screen. So that's been accomplished. So we'll go ahead and exit out of here. We'll close GUI. You could exit and it would take you all the way back to your $ prompt. I just did the close GUI, so it brought us back to the prompt inside the Design Vision program. And if I type exit, that will take me back to my $ prompt. Now, the other way you can run Design Vision, and you'll get a little bit of a faster response time, is you can run Design Vision in non-graphical mode. Oops. And then you do that by after you type the name of the program, you type in -no GUI, no graphical user interface. Okay, and then you're ready to enter the commands in order to perform the operations that you would like to accomplish. So what we'll do now is we'll type exit and get back to the $ prompt. And so that's all there is for starting the Design Vision program. There are other options that can be passed into the Design Vision program when starting the program. I will leave it to you to have a look at the Synopsys documentation to explore the further options. This video's purpose is to enable you to at least be able to start the Synopsys Design Vision program with the basic options. So that's pretty much everything, and thank you for listening.